Let's look for our US data points.
Quite slim pickings today, but what we have got is very important. First of all, we've got CPI, Consumer Price Index for July. We look here for the month-on-month figure, forecast to come in at plus 0.2%, slightly down from June's plus 0.3%. The other figure that people will watch closely here will be the rolling year-on-year core read. That came in last month at plus 1.8%. So it's not so far from a 2% inflation figure that the Fed considers to be part of its the things it wants to look for before it raises rates. Having said that, it's not this figure that the Fed actually looks at. Yeah. But nonetheless, it will serve for sentiment. In terms of where we've been, CPI has been gaining momentum in 2015 after a sharp fall in 2014. But I think we're some way from a convincing inflation number. But let's see what we get this afternoon. Okay. And then staying with the theme of potential interest rate rises, all eyes on the FOMC, that's the Federal Open Markets Committee minutes for July, which will come out this afternoon around 2 p.m. Eastern Time or 7 p.m. London time. And obviously the market watching closely here for clues about timing on the rate rises and any hints about the actual position of the members of the FOMC, how they sit themselves versus an interest rate rise in September or perhaps later in the year, as we believe.